Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. This video is all about a Diwali outfit ideas for every girl. You can be a modern girl or a traditional Indian Desi girl or someone who's very classy. Everybody has outfits in this video, so keep on watching. The first outfit is for all those girls who like to wear traditional clothes at least on the festive days. So for those type of girls who like to wear Indian traditional Desi ethnic wear, this one is definitely for you. This is the Janasia's Sharara set. I had previously bought the green and yellow colored Sharara suit from Janasia. I absolutely love the quality of the dress and I went ahead and bought the same Sharara in a different color. This is a very beautiful magenta pink color, you guys. This is perfect for a festive occasion, especially for Diwali. This is the Sharara pant. It has lace detailing going on. I guess this is Gotapati or Gotapatti. I don't know how you call it, but I guess this is that kind of a lace, Gotapatti lace. So the top has the foil details all over it. It has a leaf foil detail going on. It is a shiny foil and I'm sure this does not gonna fade or come out after wash because I have used Janasia's foil kurtis before. The foils do not come out after wash. So whenever I purchase a kurti that has foil details on it, I make sure that it's from Janasia. Janasia has become one of my favorite Indian wear brands. It's a very nice comfortable rayon material. The sleeves are of elbow sleeves and it also has the same lace detailing going on. I have altered this dress according to my fit. This is the dupatta. The dupatta is 2.5 meters long, you guys. Oh my god. I have never used a dupatta that is 2.5 meters long. But Janasia Sharara suits always comes with a 2.5 meters long dupatta. This is a nice beige color or skin color dupatta. Very beautiful, guys. This is for someone who likes to wear that Indian traditional dresses for Diwali. I paired this suit with a ruby necklace that would match the dress. Added a diamond nose pin, matching ruby bangles, bindi, and some jasmine flowers to complete the look. By the way, the jasmine is just fake one. The next suit is for someone who likes to reuse their clothing. If you are a person who wants to reuse the festive dresses, and few of the traditional dresses can be worn only on the festive days, but this one you can wear it any day and it's also kind of festive, guys. This is for all girls, those who are quirky. This is a Janasia's 3-piece suit set. This is the crop top. This is the Palaazzo. and this is the jacket. Isn't it so cool, guys? This is a 3-piece suit set. You can mix match and use this dress. You can wear this crop top with a jean, or you can definitely wear this all together. This is for all those quirky girls. Look at the quirky print that is going on. It is in a very beautiful yellow color. The palazzo and the crop top is in a poly crepe material. The material is very comfortable. If you're someone who does a lot of work on festive days, and then this is something that you can wear without any doubt, because this is so comfortable, so soft. It also has a beaded detailing going on. I paired this with the quirky long statement earrings. I keep the neck simple by wearing this princess crown gold pendant, kada and a single stone studded bangle, a lot of rings to amp up the look. I'm wearing this beautiful mustard colored 1-inch heel. It has a transparent strap and heel. If you want to know where I got this from, check out the link in the description box. The next one for all those classy girls who wants to stay simple yet classy. This suit is definitely for all those classy girls. Look at the color, you guys. Oh my god. This color is trending these days. So much in love with this. This is a light lavender, lilac or a light purple color, you may call it anyway. This is also called as a English color. Yeah, this is also called as an English color, pastel color. Anyways, this color is so beautiful. This is the kurta. The kurta has a closed neck like this one. This is not a boat neck, I believe. This is kind of a closed neck, and they have also given a button. A button right here on the neck. This will come over here for better fitting. This has a 3/4 sleeve. This foil detailing does not blink as much as the first Sharara suit. The Sharara has a bright shiny foil detailing all over it, and this one also has foil detail but in the matte finish, which means this is not gonna shine. If you're someone who doesn't like that shiny jiggy bright foil detailings, then you can definitely go for this matte foil detailing that is not gonna look over the top, yet it's gonna look classy and eye-catching. This is the pant of this set. This has a foil detailings at the bottom. The material is crepe, I believe. This is the dupatta. Beautiful, isn't it, guys? This is definitely gonna be a head turner on Diwali for sure. Wow, look at it. I'm so much in love with it, guys. I paired this outfit with the white crystal earring that I bought from Ooty, adding a stone studded a single bangle and a dual toned small dial watch. Wearing this black kitten heel from Mochi to amp up the look. that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I believe you will definitely fall in one of these 3 categories. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Diti, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.